guess where we are. We're on the edge of the Imperial Sand Dunes. These are just little tiny hills here, right, like the foothills, so to speak. And you can see over in the distance. You can't even really see them. They go for maybe 100 miles in that direction, and they get huge, hundreds of feet high. This is just kind of the edge here. We walked here from our campground. We're staying over there. You can see a bunch of trailers. That's Pilot Knob long-term visitors area, BLM. And yeah, just had to go for a walk. It's awesome. It's just wide open. Nothing out here. You can leave don't have to have the dog on the leash. You can just run free. She's pretty excited about that. And this sand, never seen sand so soft. It's like flour. It just blows. It's like dust, blows away in the wind. Feels so good on the feet. It is so much finer than our sand at home. It's pretty cool. Definitely don't have nothing like this, but so we got our shoes off and we're walking barefoot. Anyway, I gotta catch up to Darlene here. Catch you guys later. Just wanted to give you a quick look. One day we will yet go over to the actual sand dunes, the big ones over there, and we'll take some more footage. Maybe even the drone if it allow us. Alright, bye. Oh, she's loving this running in the sand. Sand on her feet too. You like this, girl? You like running in the sand? We're gonna get her good and tired out today. I gotta go back up the hill. I gotta go back up the hill. Let's see you get back up here.